Get excited about the 2012 Lexus CT200H. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this model delivers an exhilarating ride without compromising ultimate luxury. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.